Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use screen curtain on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To use this feature we're gonna need to download an official Samsung application called Good Luck. It's available both on Play Store and Galaxy stores. Just open one of these, the one that is available in your region. Open the search field and search for Good Luck application, and once you find the application's page, tap install, then wait until the application is installed and then open it. Agree to terms of service on the following page, and then find either the battery guardian if you're using an older smartphone, or for newer smartphones find and download display assistant. Once the extension is installed, open it, then give it all the permissions it asks you for, then go to screen curtain, select go to settings and switch the toggle next to display assistant. Tap allow, and then let's go back to the screen curtain menu, and now to enable this feature, switch the toggle to the right next to double press the side button. The side button is your power button. So now whenever you press the power button twice, you will enable the screen curtain, and you can disable it by either double tapping your screen or your side button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.